Hello everyone, welcome back to Opportunity Hunt. In this today's video, we are diving into a fantastic opportunity at one of the most innovative startup in the AI space, that is Spyne. So, if you are a tech enthusiast or interested in the full stack developer, stick around it. So, we are going to discuss a fantastic internship opportunity or what is the eligibility criteria for that internship opportunity, who can apply for this, all the things are discussed in this video. So, watch this video till the end. So, before moving ahead, if you are new to this channel, so make sure to subscribe to our channel. So where you will get the content which is totally related to the job openings, internship openings, free courses, hackathons, scholarships, lot more content uploaded in this channel. So make sure to subscribe to our channel. Now coming to the video, let's talk about a Spyne where it is based on Gurugram, India. The Spyne is on one of the mission to revolutionize the automotive retailing using the cutting edge generative AI technology. So did you know that the US alone sells 52 million cars annually? So it is worth of whooping of $1,700 billion, and the used cars market is valued at $1,000 billion. Spine AI powered tools transform the car visuals into a studio quality images and helping the dealerships and as well as marketplaces to drive the customer engagement, showroom visits, and the ultimately sales also. Now, what makes the Spine stand out? Spine isn't just another tech startup, it is a leader in the generative AI space with the real tangled results. They have successfully commercialized their AI solutions and generating the hard cash and as well as consistent revenue streams. So, backed by the top investors like Acer Partners and Storm Ventures, Spine has been recognized as one of the India's top generative AI startup. We're making a wave of across the global markets. Now let's talk about the role. Spine is hiring for the full stack developer. They isn't about the coding job. It's an opportunity to lead the development of the AI powered application. And these apps will process the millions of images from the industries like e-commerce, real estate, and as well as automobiles also. Now, coming to the responsibilities as a full stack developer at the Spine, here are what you will be doing. So first, developing and as well as maintaining the server side components and designing the customer facing UIs and also backend services. Writing the efficient, testable and as well as reusable code. Implementing the top notch security protocols and as well as storage solutions also. And also collaborating with the forefront developers and also seamless integration also. And that's just the beginning. You will also diagnose the issues, provide the technical support, and recommend the tech improvements also. Now let's talk about little bit about the requirements that as a degree in a computer science, engineering or related field, and you need to have a proficiency in the JavaScript, node.js, React.js, SQL, NoSQL, and as well as Elasticsearch. Experience with the frameworks like Bootstrap, CSS3, and agile methodologies, and also strong command over the data structures, algorithms, and as well as design patterns. The bonus point, if you work with AWS and Git, there is a big plus for you. Now, why should you consider joining this Spine? Best in class benefits, tools, and as well as resources to help you to do the best work. A buzzing startups environment backend with the world class investors, and the rapid growth opportunities that let you grow along the company wise. And this is your chance to work with the cutting edge AI tech and make a real impact. So this is all about today's video. So if you found this video helpful, so make sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon so you will never miss any update. And I will see you in the next video with the biggest opportunity. And good luck with your application.